Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Many of you have asked me to post the recipe of keto roti after seeing my what I eat in a day video. There I have shown keto roti sandwiches. I've got so many messages on Facebook, on Instagram, and I told them that I'm going to post the recipe once I perfect it. And it's been only a week since I started keto diet and I didn't get much time to experiment with the recipe. So for now I'm going to post the recipe of what I have, and then once I perfect it I'm going to post another video. And before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also give a big thumbs up. It really supports my channel. So let's get into the video. So into a bowl I am taking half cup of coconut flour. It's approximately 6 tablespoons. So next I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of psyllium husk powder. I got this from Amazon. If you want, I'll link it below in the description box. You can check it out. So around 1.5 tablespoon of this. So next I am adding 2 tablespoons of golden flaxseed meal, some salt, mix it well. So everything is mixed well, no lumps in the powder. So I am going to add little bit of oil, around a tablespoon. You can also add butter or ghee if you want. Mix it again. Now slowly add water and make it into a dough. So my dough is ready. I'm going to rest the dough for 15 to 20 minutes and then start making rotis. Make sure you cover the dough with a lid or with a damp paper towel. So now I'm going to roll out the rotis. Before that I'm going to spread water onto my surface. This way the parchment paper doesn't move while I'm rolling. If you want, you can use silicone baking mats as well. As you can see, it sticks very nicely. So take the dough and divide it into small portions. You can make large rotis or small rotis, whatever you need. Here I took a small ball and placed it on the bottom parchment paper. Now roll it into a thin roti. So you can lift the paper in between and turn the dough. So I'm done rolling the roti. It's not in the perfect shape because the coconut flour is not that good as wheat flour. So it will break on the outer edges. So to get the nice shape, you can cut it with a lid or a bowl. So you can cut it like this. So our roti is ready. We can heat it on the pan now. So to heat the rotis, take a non-stick pan on medium heat and add your roti. So after 30 seconds, flip the roti. You can add ghee or butter. I'm going to make sandwiches with this roti, so that's why I'm making them small. But if you want, you can make them into big rotis as well. So after again 30 seconds, flip it. So once it's cooked on both sides, take it away and put it into a covered container. So in the similar way, roll out all the rotis and cook well on both the sides. If you are rolling a thick roti, then make sure you cook for extra time so that the inside also gets cooked well. So I'm done making the rotis and I just want to show you how they came out. I made it in different sizes. So this one is the bigger size. You can use it in wraps or in quesadillas. And next I made this smaller size, and even in smaller size I made it into different thickness. As you can see, the bottom ones are very thin, and as you go top they're very thick. So these thick ones, if you miss pita bread or naan, this will be great. They're very soft and thick. These are the medium thickness rotis. You can use this for curries. They are so flexible and soft and they don't break. And these are the thinnest rotis. If you like thin rotis, then you can make this. These are also very soft and flexible. I think the only challenging part in this recipe is to roll out the rotis. Since the coconut flour dough is not as elastic as wheat flour dough, it gets little difficult, but once you get the hang of it, you will do it faster. You can make into different sizes like I showed. I like to make smaller sizes because it's good for portion control, and I also try to make sandwiches with them, so it works out well for me. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and also give a big thumbs up to this video. And if you are excited to try this recipe or have tried this recipe, let me know in the comments below your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again with a new video. Bye.